Hey everyone, we're going to do a little foundations. It is a review. It's a review of open syllables. So just to refresh your memory, an open syllable has a couple characteristics. It will have one vowel in it. That vowel will be long, and the vowel will be at the end of the syllable. So let's just do a couple examples to stimulate your memory from last year. And the first word we'll use is the word me. Let's see if it meets the criteria. Does it have one vowel? Yes, it does. Is this vowel sound long? Me. Long E? Yes, it is. And is the vowel at the end of the syllable? It is at the end of the syllable. So that's just one example. Let's do a couple more. Now, here is where you are probably going to need some paper and a pencil or a dry erase board and a marker. It's up to you. And you will want to pause the video when I ask you to, or write down things when I ask you to. I know you'll do it. All right, here we go. So our first one that you'll be writing down is the word not. So if you have paper, go ahead and write down the word not. Let's not get fancy and make it some unusual knot like you Boy Scouts who Cub Scouts like to tie knots. Just the word not, N-O-T. Now I know what you're thinking. Mrs. McDowell, this is not an open syllable word. It does not end with a vowel. I know this is what we're using in an example, so I need you to write down the word not, and then next to it, write down the word no. We're just going to take the T off, and now we have the word no. This is our open syllable word. It has one vowel. That vowel is long, and that vowel is at the end of the syllable. All right, nice job. Let's go ahead and do another one. This word is met, so if you could write down M-E-T, and that's our closed syllable word. It has a short vowel. Please now go over here and write down the word me, M-E. Oh, this seems so familiar, like I saw it moments ago. We've taken the T off. We now have the word me, and it has one vowel. That vowel is a long vowel, and that vowel is at the end of the syllable. Let's do another one. All right, the next one is robot. Now, here's the thing about this word. It is more than one syllable. So you can have an open syllable word, and it also can be combined with a closed syllable. So there are many words in our language that are multisyllabic, and this is one of them. It has two syllables. So let's see where we're going to divide this up. We're going to divide it, and then we're going to mark it, okay? So let me rewrite it, and I'll rewrite it this way. If I do it this way, it would be rob, ot. That's not how we say it, okay? We say row with the long O sound. So that was incorrect. Let's go ahead and write it R-O. There's our first syllable. And bot. So now we have our first syllable, which is an open syllable. It has one vowel. That vowel is long, and that vowel is at the end of the syllable. To mark it, we give it the long vowel mark, and then an O down here for open syllable. Is that a macron? Is that what we call that? All right, cool. Over here for but, it's different. It is a closed syllable. It has a consonant at the end, and it is a short vowel. So we do our little short vowel symbol up here. Remind me what that's called, somebody, when we meet during Zoom, okay? All right, let's do another one. So that was open and closed. How about this word? I'll write it down first, and you guys can write it down as well. Now, to figure out where we break this up, it might be a little tricky because look, there is a consonant in between two vowels. So we can try it both ways. So I could write it down with the S in my first syllable, or I can try it the second way. If I do it this way, it's best-eyed. Best-eyed. I said best-eyed someone, and that doesn't make sense. So we'll try it the other way with the E at the end of the syllable and the S going to the next syllable. This makes more sense. B, we have the long E. Side. We have, this is an open syllable because the vowel's at the end. It is a long syllable. Or I'm sorry, it's a long vowel. It's a long vowel. And it comes at the end of the syllable. All right, so now what I'm going to do is give you a couple examples, and then I'm going to want you to turn or pause. I want you to pause this video, and I would like you to try and break these up into 2 syllables and to try and mark them and figure out where the open syllable is, or if both of the syllables are open, or one is open and one is closed. All right, so pause the video now, and then we will have you come back momentarily and show us your answers. Did you click pause? Or are you just going to watch me do it? Fine. All right, we have the word pretend. So people might say pretend. I want to pretend, but really this is going to be pre with a long E and then tend. So our open syllable is here. This syllable was closed. The next one, the next word was protest. So pro, we have the long O, and in the next syllable, we have a short E. This is open. The vowel is at the end of the syllable, and it is a long vowel. And then the last word I had you do, if you would actually pause the video, some of you people, come on, you can do it. Cabin. Aha! Could this be one of those, what do you call it, an exception? Because I don't think I say cabin, and I also don't say cabine. So I have cab in. Or could I have cabin? Join me today during our Zoom and we'll discuss this word. A little bit tricky. All right, I'll see you later.